You clicked on the video, so let's go. 50 FreeCAD Secrets That You Didn't Know, Part 1. Secret No one. Use the letter L in the sketcher to auto-create polylines with constraints. Hit Ctrl plus M2 auto-suggest missing constraints. Use external geometry, the purple tool, to build smart references. Carbon copy to reuse entire sketches like a boss. Use ShapeBinder for perfect cross-body alignment. Okay, now we've got some serious part design magic. Secret number 6. Pad plus pocket equals 90% of solid modeling. Mirror across datum planes for symmetric parts.
Snaps.
Fillets. Add them last to avoid TNP issues. Chamfers. Make your 3D prints look pro. Need assemblies? Install Assembly 4. It is on fire. Let's talk TechDraw. Secret number 11. Add section views with one click. Use the Draft to Sketch tool to convert imported shapes. Export Step 4. Pro compatibility. STL for print, SVG for laser cutting. Spreadsheet Workbench to take your designs to the next level. Need Fasteners. Fasteners Workbench gives you 500 plus bolts and nuts. And now it's time for some seriously powerful moves. Secret number 16. Use Dependency Graph to debug errors. Enable Navigation Cube for orientation help. Install Curves Workbench for crazy surface modeling. Use Macro Recorder to automate anything. And here's the best secret. You're only scratching the surface of what FreeCAD can do. Which tip blew your mind? Comment below. And don't forget to like, save, and share for more pro FreeCAD content. Subscribe for Part 2 with 50 more secrets. If you want to dive deeper into FreeCAD, check out my full course on a website. You'll learn everything from the basics to advanced techniques to become a FreeCAD master. Plus, get access to our awesome community and exclusive discounts on software and hardware. So what are you waiting for? Head over to the website and take the first step towards FreeCAD mastery today. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this video and stay tuned for more updates. Now back to the show. So let me tell you a little story. Once upon a time, I was just like you. A newbie in the world of 3D design, struggling to learn the ropes and create something cool. But then I discovered a secret that changed everything. It was a cheat sheet. It's not just any cheat sheet, a cheat sheet for FreeCAD. This magical piece of paper unveiled tips, tricks, and shortcuts that I didn't know existed. It was like having a secret weapon that helped me level up my 3D design game. With this cheat sheet in hand, I was able to create complex shapes with ease, import and export files like a pro, and even animate my creations. But here's the twist. The cheat sheet was actually a video just like this one, and the rest is history. That's why I'm super excited to bring you this video. It's filled with 50 secrets that will help you become a FreeCAD ninja. So grab a notebook, settle in, and get ready to have your mind blown. Who knows? You might even discover a few tips and tricks that I haven't heard of. After all, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more you grow. Oh, and here's a little secret. This video is just the beginning. There's more to come. So stay tuned, because I've got plenty of FreeCAD secrets up my sleeve. Kana? Let's dive in.